We are pleased to show you the 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, leather seats, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.